Hey everybody, Colin Reed here with MarineMax in Charleston, South Carolina. Today I'd like to show you a new model we just got in. It's a 2025 177 Sport from Scout Boats. We do have it equipped in the midnight blue hull color. We do have a white rub rail with a stainless steel insert. Have the boat equipped with a 90 horsepower Yamaha, and it is sitting on a trailer that does come with the boat. Let's hop inside and check out some of the features. Now that we're on board the 177 Sport, we'd like to point out a couple of features. We do have rod holders throughout the stern of the boat. Also have some back deck hatches. That is a checkable box. We have one on port and starboard. Underneath the helm seat here, we have dedicated cooler storage along with tackle storage. And if you pull those out, you will have access to your bilge area. At the helm, we have standard Scout steering wheel, Dometic trim tab system. This is a new system that has been a great system for us on these boats. It is now the main system that we use trim tab wise. We do have our head system for our Fusion stereo that does have upgraded JL audio speakers throughout the boat. Toggle switching for all your bilge needs, maybe your live well up front. USB ports here, be able to plug in any charging that you may need, along with more right here. Our battery switch. As we move up through the boat, we do see this little jump seat here. Nice, comfortable place to ride as you're heading out for the day or coming back. Underneath, we do have our live well. It is aerated. And up front here, we have a nice large space to be able to throw a cast net, maybe throw a line in the water. Underneath that, we do have nice storage. Does have our propeller in there right now, but it does have room for a 5-gallon bucket, maybe an anchor locker. We did equip the boat with a trolling motor plug, so if you wanted to add a trolling motor to this boat, it would be plug and play. Thanks again for joining me on this 2025 177 Sport from Scout Boats. If you'd like to learn more about this or anything else we offer, feel free to give us a call at 843-747-1889. As always, check us out on MarineMax.com. Once again, I'm Colin Reed. Thanks for watching.